Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial video regarding Coinhouse. This is Scramble from Emotions Crypto Trading, and today we're going to discuss about fees, limits, and everything you need to know about the account as costs of utilizing their services. So here we go, guys. Now, first of all, for those of you not having an account and you would like to get started and take advantage of certain bonuses and sort of away advantages via promotions you could have on your account, is make sure to use the link located in the description area or comments area below this video to sign up. Now, other things related to the fees and all that stuff is right here explained. Commission rates that you're basically paying while utilizing the platform. In the starting package, Blue and Premium, every single has different commission type of sort of a way percentages. We're talking about buy and sell at 4.9% when you are into the start package. That is for the offline Coinhouse. When you are online, offline is 4.9 plus 9.9 euros, which means that when you're going in their official shops in Paris, in French, you would be able to trade at an extra 10 euros cost compared to the online space if you're in the starting package. So 4.9% is online if you start. Blue, 4.9 for buy. Selling is cheaper, 3.9. And then Premium has other advantages out there. There's a lot of the things that they have on the online space and a lot lower fees. So in order to get to a higher package, obviously you need to spend some money and be able to take advantage of less percentages on your transactions. For example, Start, Blue and Premium, are there difference limits for each account? Well, this is what we're discussing about. Start is basically an account that you create by simply doing the identity verification with your ID, and that's all. So basically the KYC verification at a simple level, it means the start of your account. The later enables users to buy up to 250 euros worth of crypto assets by bank through Coinhouse, as well as 2,000 euros by SAPA transfer. Start accounts are active for 6 months only, after which you can upgrade to Blue account by submitting an ID and proof of residency. So you can upgrade from Start just by submitting an ID and proof of residency to the Blue, which is giving you a lot more features, such as users that can buy up to 2,000 euros by bank and cards sell up to 5,000 euros per day. A lot better. Any Blue user that buys up to 10,000 euros and sells up to 5,000 euros over a 12 months period must provide documentation of the origin of the funds invested, as well as filling client's form. So once you are sort of filled up your 12 months period limits, you got to file some documentation that will help you to increase the limit of your accounts. So the way you go from Start to Blue is by adding extra proof of residency to your account, just like we say it here. Starting in Blue, there's some advantages into the selling area. For the Blue, you are basically 1% less cost when you do that into that section by putting your proof of residency alone. And then Premium, which is valid upon by Coinhouse compliance department, and there is a cost of 349 euros annual fee. Premium users are subject to, prior to additional documentation being provided, a daily limit to 5,000 euros transactions by bank card. So it's basically a lot of the advantages on top of the high limits that you're having and less fees that you're paying, because one needs to help you with the other. You also need less fees but higher limits as well. You definitely need to think about I'll just let you know here, but that there's the possibility to get different offers. For example, Coinhouse Classic, Premium, and Platinum. These are the possibilities down the road, guys. that you could get access and have different benefits, higher limits, less fees for each type of account. You just need to click on more information to find out more, and then you have to read on the website. Basically, a lot of the people which are from the high class areas of high investments areas, different corporations and entities that operate on their investment platforms are utilizing the Coinhouse Platinum, which is subscription on a customized base. You create, along with Coinhouse, the details of the contract. Premium is basically sort of a way, not that high level for those which are having tons of money, like 100,000 euros to buy and ready to dive into the business. So Coinhouse Premium is definitely allowing you to get certain benefits that you will be able to find here down the website at 1 year at $40 per month, right? So that is, obviously worth it as long as you're looking to buy on higher amounts of money. Now, that's pretty much all around the commission rates, Start, Blue, and Premium. To move from Start into the Blue, you just need to submit proof of residency after you submit your KYC verification and your account is ready to go. So that's not complicated. Most of the people should be into the Blue area, guys. Now, that's pretty much all about. If you're looking at which payment methods are accepted on Coinhouse, there's BTC, Ethereum, bank card, and the bank deposit. You also have to think about there's 30 minutes transaction time after the rate has been fixed for you to complete the payment or for them to send you the tokens. So it really depends, guys, what kind of payment methods you're using, what kind of cryptocurrency are you looking to purchase, what is the payment method you are willing to complete. That's pretty much all around the fees and limits area that we have to consider on Coinhouse. For those of you looking to find out more details, well, you simply go to the official page and scroll down the way where you can find right here support. So you go to support and you have not in French, which sometimes does it for some reason. You put it on English, and even this way sometimes it's written in French. However, you have topics here written in English, which are nice categories, the most promoted articles, as well as everything that is necessary for you to understand the way platform works. And then bottom left corner, you've got help. Plus you can contact me on right here in the comments area of Skype. You can contact me and I'll get back to you. I've been using Coinhouse platform for more than a few months transactions. So I spend quite a lot of the money. I am a premium user, so I pay 39 euros per month to get access to the services of premium, plus less fees that I'm able to manage by going this way. What is important that with premium, you can buy it with card at 3.9, and you can buy it with transactions on the SAPA, which means banking account transactions, at 2%, but also sell at 2%, right? So that's very nice. Even though in the offline area you can sell at 2% or buy at 2%. So basically it's that's actually half than what you can get at Blue. And it's $40. I mean, if you buy for 1,000 euros, the difference between Blue and Premium, well, 1,000 euros, 2% you see difference into the buy and selling compared to the selling over here. So even though when you talk about buying, you have 5% compared to 2%, it's 3%. At 1,000 euros, that's $30, guys. $30. $30 that you have to sort of a way cut down due to the fact that you don't have premium, which is $39 per month. Definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. So thank you so much, guys. And obviously, for those of you looking to buy heavily, are the options of premium. I mean, if you don't buy heavily, if you don't do large transactions, premium makes no sense to pay $39. You just simply go with 4.9 and 3.9 after submitting proof of residency. After doing that, you simply go 4.9, 3.9. You don't need to pay any subscriptions. It's free. It is the classic account. It's free to use it that way. No issues at all. Thank you so much, guys. Feel free to drop me a like if you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you soon.